If you know how annoying it is for the zip of your outfit to keep running down when you zip up your outfit, then this video is for you, because we're going to be showing you how to fix a hook and eye at the back of your outfit so that you fix this problem. Welcome to this edition of AYABA Insider, where we give you tips, tricks, fashion gist, hacks, styling tutorials, and all that good fashion stuff. Today on AYABA Insider, we're going to be showing you how to fix a hook and eye. So if you're just joining us, subscribe by clicking the subscribe link down below. Turn on your notifications by clicking the notification bell. And please comment and like our video. First, you need a needle. Then you need a thread. I usually double the thread. And then you need your hook and eye, your pack of hook and eye. So typically you thread the needle by passing it through the tiny loop at the top of the needle, at the bottom of the needle. Yeah, that can be quite tricky, especially when the thread is doubled. So be careful to pass the thread through it, the needle hole, and pull it out from the other end till it's doubled. So now you should have 4 strands of thread, so you get like a secure threading, not the end, and you're literally good to go. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to pick up our hook and eye and then show you what it looks like when you bring it out of the pack. So when you bring it out of the pack, the hook and eye looks something like this. That is the eye that I'm touching, and this is the hook. So the idea is that the hook goes through the eye to give a secure hold on the outfit. So if you do this right, if it's fixed right at the back of your outfit, then you're not going to have any problems. Your zip will stay intact. Yeah. So now we're going to take our needle and place the hook at the very top edge of the dress. Pass the needle through the cloth and through one side of the loop. Make sure we get a secure hold. Pass it again through the cloth and then pull it out from the other side of the loop. And we're just going to do it one more time so we get a really secure hold on that part of the loop. Now we're going to pass the needle to the other side of the loop and then pass the thread through the hole, through the second hole of the eye. Pull the thread out from under the cloth. Pass the thread again through the loop there. Pull it out the second time and pass it the third time. Once we pass it the third time, at this point you should get a really tight and secure hold, and then we're going to loop our thread around the needle so as to tie it at the end. Once you do this, cut your thread off and secure it again, because you're going to be fixing the other part of the hook and eye, which is the hook. So once you notch your thread at the end, cut off the extra strands or the unwanted strands, and take the top of your needle, take your hook, make sure the teeth of the hook is facing up and the flat edge is staying on the side of the dress, and then pass your needle through the outfit, through the top of the outfit. Once the needle passes through the cloth, let it pass through one loop of the hook. Make sure you're using your hand to secure it, because hook and eyes are really tricky and slippery, and they can fall off your hand if you're not careful. So pass the thread again through the outfit and through the loop the second time, and we're going to do that one more time so as to get like a really secure hold on that side of the loop. Now we're going to pass the thread again to the other side of the outfit. Pull the thread out, pass it through the loop, take it again in through the outfit, pull the thread out. We're going to do it one more time or 2 more times. One more time, and then we're going to do it again just to be sure that it's really firm. At this point, when we pass it the third time, we're going to pull our needle through the thread so as to tie it. That's a very easy trick to tie your thread after sewing whatever you're done with your needle. Now that you've ensured that it's properly fastened, you cut off the loose ends, and your hook and eye is literally as good as fixed. Yeah, so typically we use the same color of thread for the outfit, but because we wanted to use a contrasting thread to show you how it's done. And so this is what it looks like when you fixed it. The hook holds the two sides of the dresses in place such that when you zip it up, you're not going to see the hook from the outside. Yeah, you're just going to see the zip, but inside the hook is holding the eye firmly to keep the dress up. And there you have it. Your outfit would be zipped up and your zip would stay up once you have put a hook and eye on your outfit. You don't have any reason to think the dress will slip because you are secure and safe. So now that you know how to fix a hook and eye on your outfit, you are safe because you know that with the hook and eye at the back of your outfit, your zips wouldn't slip down and your outfits will stay secured. If you enjoyed this video, if this video was helpful to you, please drop a thumbs up and please subscribe, like, comment, and let us know what other tutorials you would like us to share with you. Till next time, bye.